Hello, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another session trading with binary options on Quotex. The link is gonna be in the description to this in this video. So subscribe, like, comment, all that, how it goes. It helps the channel, helps me, helps my team create more content. There is also invitation link in the description to this video to a Telegram channel where we share a lot of information about trading in general. Me and my team work hard to provide signals and knowledge for you guys, sharing the years of experience of ours for your own trading experience. So let's jump into our video of today and let's start. Okay, so today we're starting with $150, and I have for my little Santa's little helpers, we have the zigzag and we have the ADX to help us, but basically let's have a look. Okay, we're gonna jump into a call option here straight away. There is a obviously there is a trend going on. The zigzag is not drawn yet. Basically we have a strong trend situation here, bull trend, and also the oscillator, the ADX, is showing the price going up. So let's wait for the result of this video and then continue. And here is our first profit from this option. Here is the result of this one, 288. And as you can see, the price is going up as we expected. Let's go to the next. Right here, there's some levels to worry about, but let's have a look. There is an uptrend going on. We'll go ahead and make this call option 288, and let's hope for this pullback here may help us to profit from this. But basically, yeah, this is the idea, and we see that the indications are on our side in this. So let's just wait for the finish of this option and we'll see. Here we are. Okay, 552. Let's do the next option. 552. Okay, 552. So basically the zigzag and the ADX are both giving us an indication to go into long. The trend is bullish, so let's get in there and let's wait. And we have a draw, but I'm gonna go ahead and make the same call because here is the profit, $1,059 already. 1,000 for our next option is what's gonna happen. This is what we're gonna do. So let's see, the zigzag over here is the ADX is a bit messed up there, and the zigzag is showing the downtrend. Obviously, not sure if we're gonna get 1,000. I'm gonna change to a different one. I think that it didn't work out, the last one. So let's see here, that's a bit better. We're gonna go for a call option here, and yeah, from this support levels we're just gonna try and hope for, there we are, that's not a bad situation. So we met the exactly the support levels, and this is where I thought that we might profit from this situation. This 1 minute time frame is not too bad. I think that here fit from this situation quickly, but in general it's not looking too hot for a long right now. It's actually looking more bearish to me. Okay, well, at least we made a nice profit there. We're gonna I have a $1,960 option. See if I can make, yes I can, $1,960 option. I can do that. So let's see. Thought 1,000 was the maximum. Right, so the idea behind this is that we are on the bullish trend, seriously bullish trend. It's some nice impulses. Also, we are our ADX, our oscillator, is giving us nice indication. Also the zigzag obviously is showing the correct indication to go up so far. So we just jumped on with this, with the trend and with the indications, and here we profit from it already. This is a great option just now, as it was relatively easy to interpret and to analyze the market, and it was 1 minute. It was really quick and really profitable, this one. And from that moment, this is a key moment, because now we're gonna use 3,000, and from here it starts growing exponentially. Really, it was still, but now the amounts are just going to change substantially. So let's go in for a call option here, as we are meeting with this support level there, the market in general, and trying to explain its behaviors, and you learn different patterns. It's very interesting, and then comparing it with different things. It's just, there is our profit, and as I said, it had grown almost 50%, $6,524 here. It's let's see, 92% payout, so it was really high payout this time. Right, how about here? We have, obviously, you see the ADX is showing us the nice indication. So we're meeting with the resistance level here. I'm going to go ahead and do a put option for 6,000. So I'm able now to make a higher number in the investment area. I'm able to put a higher number, more than 1,000. And now I made a $3,000 option, and now we can see that it already works. So basically, we're bouncing off the support levels, and then we get to a resistance level, we get to the ceiling basically, and we jump off. If we have another support level just below it, after bouncing off the ceiling, let's see if we can imagine that. Bouncing off the ceiling, we're dropping onto this newly formed support level, and we're bouncing off that again. it's interesting how it works. And here it is. See, it's kind of like a pullback there, but we have made the profit. $12,000, guys, already we have on our balance. As I said just now, we're making 92% payout from $6,000. It was 5,500, more or less. So right here, let's just go ahead and do that. I'm doing another one for 12,000, and now it's for 2 minutes. Basically, I'm expecting another bouncing off this ceiling, the resistance level, and then going down for an even bigger pullback here. This is the idea, because also the ADX is showing the strength is fading from this trend. So let's see where it brings us, but this is the idea behind it. I don't know if you get it, but this is the idea. The strength of the market is dropping. We have the resistance level there. Sometimes it's a good thing when it collects just below it. Sometimes it's a good thing. It collects the strength and then it goes up. But let's see if this is the case. I don't think this one is the case. I'm expecting the price to go into a bigger pullback and then retake the route and then retake the trend again, because there is a trend, there is some indications for the price to go up, but we choose a put option, and it is just so that we can enjoy this little situation to our advantage. Maybe I should have chosen a 1 minute instead, but let's see. Oh, and we made this. Guys, I can't tell you how important it is to use the compound percentage, because as you can see, it helps so much. We just had a massive profit in this trading session, and starting just with $150. This can happen. Obviously, don't go in with a hot head. You need to learn. For that, please do join our Telegram group, because there is a lot of useful information to learn, and that helps in your experience. But basically, in investing, any investor will tell you that you need to manage the risks, cut losses, and manage the risks. And basically, you gotta be conscious of what you can risk and to lose, so only invest what you can afford to lose in case of a bad decision, which happens, and a lot of people do not understand that. But guys, study, that's really important. So I'll see you all next time. Hope you do study, and good luck. Luck is also something that helps in this trade. And next time we'll try some more strategies, more analyzing the market, and hopefully we can all profit from the financial market. All the best. See you next time. Bye.